Today I'm going to show you how you can configure the Notion agent with the Arkios. So the first thing we need to do is create an empty page. It can be any page, but I'm just going to create an empty page for now. And I'm just going to name it Arkios root page. You can name it anything. Doesn't really have to have a name. And this number you see after the name, this long combination of numbers and letters, this will be the root page ID, so you need to save that. The purpose of this of getting the root page ID is when the agent is creating something and you didn't specify like what page to create the information in, so it will fall back to this page, and this is the page where the pages or anything you want will be created if you don't specify where to create it. And next thing we need to do is actually create the integration that will communicate with the Arkios. So you need to click the three dots on the top, go to connections, develop integrations, and you can create a new integration. I'm gonna name it Arkios integration. You can name it anything you like, but there's a catch. So you cannot name it Arkios Notion integration. If you try to do that, it will throw an error, as you can see in a second. And make sure to make the type of the integration as internal, and the workspace, give it the workspace you want to give it access to. And if I try to save, it won't let me save it, so make sure you don't have Notion in there. So if I save it, it will be created. So now the next thing you need to do is configure the integration. So if you go to the configuration, you can see the secret key. This is the key you will provide to the Arkios. If you hit show here, it will show you the key. As you can see, I'll just show my key for now. This is the key that you need to provide to Arkios. So if you can copy it, I'll just paste it in here. VPI key, and this is root page ID. So these are the two things that you need. And after developing the integration in the connections, you can see the connections here, and you can confirm the connection. One thing we missed is to provide the access to the connection. So if you go to the integrations and the access tab, you can see you can provide access, which you can also edit the access. So there is everything for getting started with the Arkios Notion agent. And keep in mind, these API keys are secret, so make sure you don't share it with anyone. I pasted it here, but I'm gonna delete the integration so the key would be invalid. So make sure to keep this key safe and not share it with anyone else. Thank you.